What really happens inside a chemical reactor? From the outside, it looks like just a steel tank. But inside, chemistry is happening continuously. First, the required raw materials are carefully introduced into the reactor. Then, mixing begins. The agitator keeps the materials moving and helps create a more uniform environment for the reaction. At the same time, temperature and other key conditions are carefully monitored. But a successful reaction is not simply about mixing chemicals. Temperature, pressure, mixing and reaction time all need to be controlled. And the process doesn't stop when the reaction is complete. Samples are analyzed to verify the required quality parameters. So what's really happening inside? Mixing, heat transfer, chemical reaction and constant monitoring all working together. At ChemicalCell, every process is built around consistency, quality and reliable chemical manufacturing.